Hey everybody, my name is Moni, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get this beautiful, glittery teal blue mermaid eyes, or like whatever you want to call it. I am using the Moroccan Spice palette from Fentybeauty that just released. Just don't mind my hair on this side, like it's just doing whatever it wants to do. I'm just trying to like keep it still so it won't like, I don't know. Alright, so my eyebrows is done. My whole face is done. Basically have a Fenty face. Everything is Fenty on my face. It's not that I'm trying to like push Fenty down your throats. Is that I really like Fenty and it's easy for me to work with, and also it's quick for me to use Fenty and put it on real quick so I could be able to do a video for you guys. It just takes me 1, 2, 3 when I do my makeup with Fenty. We're gonna get into this look. I'm going to be using a new Fenty primer, and it looks like this. I'm gonna be using this color right here. This color is called Come and Get It. So I'm gonna be using it in my transition, just very lightly. I will be taking this one. This one is called Fez Up, and I will be putting this color in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking Evil Genie, and I'm gonna put that all over my eye. I'm going to be taking some Fix Plus to wet the brush so I can have a little bit more intensity. I like to use a lot. Okay, so I forgot to mention what brushes I'm using. Alright, so I used the CCEO1 City Colors Cosmetics brush for my transition, and then I use MAC 215 for the eyeshadow that goes on the lid, and then I use my, Juvia's J125 blender brush to go in the crease. Just gonna pack on a little bit more of the Evil Genie on my eye. I'm taking my City Colors, this is the CCEO5 brush, to blend out the corner of my eye. I am taking Socket to Me, and it's this color right here, this gorgeous color. And I'm using that for the corner of my eye. I wanted to test out this color because I didn't like get to test it out before and just see how these colors look. But they feel so nice and buttery and smooth. Feels like the way it feels, these are the satin shades, and they feel so buttery and so smooth. It may be like a little bit hard to like blend out, but I don't know. Alright, I think that's good. I'm just gonna go back in with my CCEO1 blender brush and come get it and just blend out over here a little bit. Blend out the corner of the eye. And I'm gonna take my corner brush that I use for the crease, and I'm just gonna blend out that eye again. Using the NYX glitter glue, I am taking my Spectrum A16 brush and I'm just putting a little bit of glitter on the brush. On the brush. Yeah, this is NYX Glitter Primer. So this is good whenever you want to do like a glitter look and you want the glitter to stay. You don't want the glitter to fall out. And this look, even though it seems like a little complicated, it's like so simple. What we're gonna do is just pat this like all over the eyelid. Usually like people start right here, but we're gonna like take it up a little bit to right here. I just want to blend out my crease a little bit because I didn't blend it out earlier, so I just want to blend that out now. Just blend it out a little bit. Alright, so go back in with this brush and just pat this glitter glue all over where we put Evil Genie. Just smooth it around like so. I'm not sure if I should have put Evil Genie like further up on the eye, but we'll see. Okay, so now that's done. I'm taking NYX glitter glue right here. I'm taking NYX glitter, and this is GLI03. I don't think it has a name to it, and I was supposed to do this video. It's brand new. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm just pouring some in the top. It has like this little 3 holes and stuff. It's very messy. I'm just gonna pour some in the top. Hopefully that's enough because I don't even know. So we're gonna take that same brush, that A16 brush, and dab it in the glitter. This is how it looks. Mesmerizing, I know. It's like so beautiful glitter. Alright, so we're gonna take that and we're just gonna pat that all over the eye. Ooh la la. I so wanted to do this look like a long time ago. Just need some more glitter. Oh my god, it's like so pretty. Oh my goodness, like enchanting. Like I'm like, sometimes I could be such a girly girl, like loving glitter and all this other stuff. Yeah, no, I have a problem. So, like I always will wear makeup, but it would never be like dramatic, like how I'm like doing makeup now. Like it was never like dramatic like this. It was always something like very simple, like a little bit of eyeshadow, like a little bit of lip gloss and stuff like that. It wasn't until like I started watching YouTube videos, because I actually thought YouTube was just for music, and I started watching YouTube videos. The first person I really started watching when it came to YouTube was Nitra B. I used to love like binge watching her videos, like all her makeup videos and stuff. And that's basically, you know, when I found makeup. And then I also will watch Latoya Forever, like even though she doesn't really do makeup like that. Like I used to watch Latoya Forever because my sisters told me about Latoya Forever. So I'm taking the e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm about to eyeline my eyes. Yeah, so let's see if I can talk and put this eyeliner on So what I like to do is just close my eye and just start low like that. Start very low and then connect it, like draw a line to my eye. So that's how I like to do my eyeliner. And I like to keep it very low to the eyelash. What I did on this eye, I'm gonna do it to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so my look is basically complete. My little mermaid look. My little mermaid look, my little like glitter, blue glitter eyes. So I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm gonna take the Fentybeauty, the Killawatt highlighter, and I'm gonna go in with this Sangria Sunset right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this as my blush. Alright, so I'm gonna take this lip liner from MAC. It's called Morning Coffee, and just line my lips. Okay, now I'm taking Huda Beauty's, this called Trendsetter. And this is called Trendsetter. And that's it, my look is complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tune into the next video. Bye.